Okay, real quick refresher on absolute value. The absolute value of an expression is just its distance from zero. So these little straight up and down bars are absolute value. And in this case, like -4 is sitting right here. This is my -4. And how far away is that from zero? Well, it is 4 units away from zero, so the absolute value of -4 is 4. What about just +4? Sometimes people think that this is going to make it a negative, but that's not what's going to happen. This is also going to be equal to 4 because 4 is also 4 units away from 0. So this is also just equal to 4. If I did 8 minus 15, just like in the order of operations video, we're going to do the 8 minus 15 first. So this is going to get me -7. And then we're going to deal with the absolute value. And so I'm at -7 all the way over here. And then the question is just how far away is -7 from 0? And the answer is it is 7 units away. So the absolute value of -7 is 7. So it's totally okay and not incorrect to think that absolute value is just going to turn something positive, because it is, that's what it's going to do. But that doesn't always mean that an absolute value problem will have a positive answer. For example, if I said 10 minus the absolute value of 15, well, the absolute value of 15, how far away is this from 0? It's 15 away from 0. So this whole thing would be equal to 10 minus 15. And again, I took this whole thing and I evaluated it, but I still have that minus in front of here. And so then this is going to be equal to -5. So my final answer was a negative, even though when I evaluated this, I said that that was 15. Same thing would happen if this had been a negative inside here to begin with, because -15 is also 15 away from 0. But then the 10 minus, like this whole thing, kind of just came along for the ride here. And then when I finally finished the problem, I did get a negative answer. So quick review. Hopefully that is helpful. Let me know if you have questions.